Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is radio I've been talking about from Jeff in the last group of radios that he sent me that I was going to save for last, but I decided to move it up. I've only got a couple more to do besides this one, but this one is the classic. And the reason I moved it up is because I'm struggling with my channel and this new requirement on YouTube that you set up two-step verification. And the problem is when I do that, since I'm using a 2007 version of Outlook, and then my main Gmail account won't work because that version of Outlook was way before they had two-step verification. I've gone through several websites of ways that you can get around that. I can't get it to work. Plus, if you get it to work, you have to do your normal login, and then you get a message to your cell phone, and then you have to put in that password. And I'm like, I'm too old for all that stuff. So what might happen? Well, a couple of things might happen. But I think what's going to happen is, starting November 1st, unless I can get that working, then I'm going to have to turn off ads. It's associated with people who have ads that they get paid for, allowing them to be posted. I'm going to have to turn it off, which will mean that my little revenue that I get from my videos is going to go away. So the alternative is to use Patreon. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do Patreon. The other thing that I have going is I have an Amazon account. An Amazon store. And if you use my Amazon store, which is just like going to Amazon, I don't have any merchandise or anything, it's Amazon, I get a small commission. And I've been doing that for a couple of years, and that's been fairly successful. So I'm going to have to push that a little harder in my videos to get you to use that Amazon store of mine, so I can counteract the loss of revenue from ads. The good news is my videos won't have ads anymore. So I'm sure you guys will like that. I know I don't like watching videos, especially those videos where they allow ads all through the video. Oh, those drive me nuts. Anyway, let's get to this radio. This is a 1936 Stromberg-Carlson 3-band 7-tube radio. And this is the volume control. This is the tone on-off control. This is the tuning knob. This is the band select. It has 3 bands, 1 medium wave and 2 shortwave bands. Got a little bit of noise problem. Now in Jeff's notes, he says that this has been completely gone through electronically and fixed up, tuned up, upgraded, whatever. But I have to show you, and hopefully it's nothing that happened in transportation. I gotta retune it. Pretty good, except for the hum.
Rolled at Virginia Tech 28-7. Kenny Pickett is a very impressive quarterback for the.
Now there is another station coming in on top of this one. And of course we're in my workshop, so we get a lot of interference from electronics, lights and everything. But there's plenty of sensitivity there. It's just it's got that bad AC hum, which is usually indicative of a leaky capacitor, which can occur over time at any time. So maybe since you got it that capacitor has gone bad.
Yeah, that game was close until like the second half.
But it does pretty good. I'll tune it here on medium wave.
Randy's a minute. Yes, absolutely, unbelievably.
If it wasn't for that hum, it would be perfect.
The Bay Area's premier family boating resource. Look no
So
further.
it tunes fine. It's just got that bad hum. Got a big speaker, so the audio quality, except for that hum, is really fantastic. It's a beast, though. It even, you know, this is, let's see how tall this is. There's 12 and 6, 18 inches tall, 9.5 inches deep, about 14 inches in width, all wood, nice wood, not any of this cheap wood, but it weighs a ton. I struggled getting it up there on my workbench because it is heavy. That's about it. Let me see if there's anything else in Jeff's notes about this radio. Just that the on-off tone is separate than from the volume. That's about it. 7-tube, as I mentioned before, 3 bands, 2 shortwave, 1 medium wave. Pretty neat dial here. Let me move my camera as the last thing and give you a close-up of that dial. Hold on, here we go. See if I can break something. The lighting is not too good in here. There it is. Pretty cool. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. Again, there probably will be a change of some kind to my channel starting November 1. Most likely because I don't want to screw up my emails. Most likely I'll just opt out of the ad feature where you get ads put in your videos and you get a small commission. Just go. That's, to me, it appears right now that's the simplest route. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.